Hello, and welcome to Wellness with the Gardeners.
I'm Dre, beautiful wife Lulu.
Mwah.
And?
Hannah.
And? Zeta.
And we covered this.
Alright. Well, this video today is about yogurt.
Yogurt!
You've gone to the store before to buy some yogurt and you say you want some fruit in it. And the company, So Delicious and so many others have actually chose the fruit that they think you will love.
That's right.
And here's one, for example. They have raspberry, coconut, and banana. That's what they chose because they feel that that's what you need to eat. That's good marketing. That will get them the profits.
And also for people like yourselves, if you like yogurt, you gonna go after whatever they already have out there. If you like those exact flavors, that's what you're gonna choose. That's just a given.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And so thank goodness that they do sell plain yogurt.
Yes.
So last week I was at Whole Foods and I'm like, you know what? We do have a container in the freezer. We've been doing this for a long time.
Absolutely.
We buy, organic fruits and we chop them up. We put them in this container here. I mean, just name the fruit. Popular fruit is in here.
Yeah.
So I figured, hey, just buy a plain yogurt and
mix your own fruits.
Mix your own fruits.
And guess what? That brings the cost down. Just buy a plain container of yogurt and you add your own flavor. It doesn't take a lot of work. It's so fast, so easy.
Absolutely.
And you're actually getting a lot of fruit, not just a little bit. You're getting a lot of fruit. Okay.
I mean, so I tried the idea, buy the plain, add our own fruit in there, and I must have taken maybe a few tablespoons out of it. And when I came back to say probably get maybe even half cup of it,
our daughter over here,
Hanan, pretty much just took care of it basically. So I said, okay, you know what? When I go back to Whole Foods this week, I'm gonna get 2 containers.
Yeah, even Zeta had some. Zeta enjoyed it as well. That's what Zeta's trying to tell you.
And the vanilla.
She enjoyed it.
All right. So we're going to take you through the process of how I mix this. Okay?
Absolutely. So I'm going to go behind the camera. Zeta and I.
Already, Hanan already told me she likes to taste it. So we're going to put this one aside that the company's already chose the fruit for you. And we're going to do something a little different. All right. So here's container. And what we're going to do is get some of the fruits.
That is delicious.
Yep.
But I eat raspberries.
Raspberries? Well, raspberries are in here. Alright. So, get some of the fruit from here. Put it in here. And trust me, there's a lot of different fruits in here.
We have blackberries, blueberries, strawberries.
Alright, so we're going to start off with the vanilla.
Kiwi. Okay, vanilla flavor.
Vanilla flavor. And what I do, just empty it in there. And folks, it's a lot more fruit in this than what they give you in those containers.
Absolutely.
I mean, every spoonful you take up is going to have some fruit in it.
Of fruit.
Chunks of fruit, as a matter of fact. So, guess what? Put it right back in the container here.
And if you wanted to leave it in that glass container, you can.
You can. So, of course, nothing goes to waste. Trust me. There's going to be some tongues in that.
Yeah, we're going to use the spatula and clean it all up.
All right. So, the next one now is the plain. Plain right there. Okay.
It's just plain.
It's just plain. So we just empty it out in there. Alright. And folks, you know, in this world, everybody's trying to control you and have you to think the way they want you to think. No, you don't have to follow that pattern. Alright, so this is the plain. It's already mixed. As you can see, in less than a minute, it's mixed. Pour it back into the container. And
we see the chunks of fruit.
Chunks of fruit.
Look at that.
And as a matter of fact, this I don't think will last a whole week with these little kids I have.
I'll make sure. The thing is, last time Hanan went into the fridge by herself. But well, as long as we always do servings.
Okay.
But Hanan was too excited that time. She really enjoyed herself.
And this is enough.
Okay.
And now Hanan's gonna do the taste test, right, Dre?
All right, there you go, Hanan.
That's a big spoon. That's not a. That's a big spoon. Let's see. You tried it? Let me see Hanan try it.
Go for it, Hanan.
Whoa! Look at her go.
How do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it? You know you're gonna go back in the fridge more than once.
And this is good.
It's good. Mm-hmm.
And it's really tasty.
Really tasty. Okay.
All right. Well, you heard the review from Hanan.
All right, and as you can come to the refrigerator, how we put them back in the fridge. So, you know, just as normal as done in less than 10 minutes. You come in the refrigerator right there. You just choose which one and you just take your serving. And trust me, that is not going to last no time. Especially with me and my daughter, Hanan. She wants to see where they're at in the fridge. Okay, you see where they're at?
Yeah.
Alright. Just making sure, folks. Alright, well, thank you for stopping by to watch this video. You know, you don't have to stick with this, which what the company, the fruits that they chose for you. You can buy plain, mix it with whatever fruit you want, put it back in the fridge, go back whenever you want, take a serving, call it a day. Oh my gosh, Hanan over there is just going at it. Alright, folks, love you. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. We have a whole lot more nice little videos to really help you around the home. And this is the lifestyle that we live. Alright? Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.